Hi guys, my name is Abby O'Connor, and today I will be showing you how to play a really cool, fun game called Possessive Monkeys on the Track. So all you need is two teams of two people, or four people total, one officiator, and about 15 minutes. And the skills that this game will involve are teamwork, communication, possession skills, agility, cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, and muscular endurance. So in order to play this game, you're going to need one red gator ball, one blue gator ball, and an outdoor track. And if you don't have a gator ball, you can just use, a regular playground ball, but you will need two different balls of two different colors. So the objective of this Possessive Monkeys on the Track game is to run an 800-meter race or 2 laps around the outdoor track in the shortest time possible. But the thing is, you have to have possession of your gator ball this whole time. And I'll get more into that in a minute. But the objective is that you can't let the other team steal possession of your ball. Each team has one ball. And so you need to be quick because you're going around the track fast, but you need to be careful and you need to make sure that you have your ball at all times. So how you're going to play is you'll divide into the two teams, team one and team two. Team one will be red, and they'll have the red gator ball, and team two will be blue, and they'll have the blue gator ball. So both teams go to the starting point at the track, and for this game, the starting point is at the 800-meter start line, which is printed in the track. It's at the entrance. So both teams will go there, and here's how you set it up. One player from team one goes into lane one, and the other player goes into lane three. So both players on team one will go into odd lanes, right? And then for the team two setup, one player from team two will go into lane two, and one player from team two will go into lane four. So team two is in the even lanes. And for this game, we're not going to use lanes 5, 6, 7, or 8. So once the players are all set up, the officiant of the game will begin by giving the commands on your mark, get set, go, and the race will begin on go. So the players will race around the track going as fast as they can, and again, making sure that they keep their ball. And what they do is they pass the ball back and forth to their partner in the other lane without dropping the ball in that middle lane that's in between them or letting the other team possess it. So if we kind of scroll back up here, we see here would be one player, right? And then here's player one from team one, and here's player two from team two. And what they're going to do is, as they race around this track, they're going to try and throw the ball back and forth to each other. And meanwhile, player one from team two and player two from team two are in lane 2 and 4, and they're trying to do the same thing. They're trying to pass it back and forth to each other. So it's similar to Monkey in the Middle. Because both players are throwing the ball over the opposing team and they're trying to catch it and make sure the other team doesn't get possession of it. And it's similar to a long distance track event, or it is a long distance track event kind of, because players are pacing themselves and using endurance, muscular endurance, as they go these long distances, but they also are sprinting at times, which you would do at the end of a long distance track event at the finish, which requires muscular strength, those bursts of energy. So throughout the whole race, team one is staying in their odd lanes and just continues to pass the ball, Monkey in the Middle style, and they're passing that red ball. And team two is staying in the even lanes and passing their blue ball. And at any point, if you drop your ball, the other team can pick it up. And if they do that, they'll get a little reward, which I'll get to in a second. And another thing